How to adjust answer incoming calls with a tap on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on answering and ending calls. After click on answering and ending calls, you will see gesture to answer call is here. Click on gesture to answer call. If you want to answer adjust incoming call with the help of tap, click on tap. After click on tap, you will see your answer adjust incoming call is set on tap. After that, adjusting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can answer adjust incoming call with our tap on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.